Hi everyone, my name is Mike Morrison from Rapid BI. The time filler you're probably not using. Do you use social media? Well, I guess so as you're watching this video. A couple of days ago I was talking to a LinkedIn connection, somebody that I've been connected to for a long time, and we'd had a bit of a chat on one of the discussion threads. So I just picked up the phone and called him, and he was pleasantly surprised. We had a great conversation talking potentially about one of my last videos on how to get engagement and how to make LinkedIn work. And he's been doing some of these things and he's already got a significant return. He's starting to understand what he can get out of LinkedIn and other social media platforms. But one of the things that I shared with him, he said, why don't you do a video on that? I really didn't know that. That's going to make a lot of difference to me. So here's the thing. We've all got really busy lives. We've got more and more to do and less time than ever to do it in. As solopreneurs or entrepreneurs, we need to do it all. We do sales, operations, accounts, marketing. Social media for marketing is the go-to channel for many of us. It might be LinkedIn, might be YouTube, might be Twitter, might be Insta. It doesn't matter. These things all require time, effort, energy, and activity. As I've shown you in the previous videos, the importance of activity. But how can you be active on social media without taking time away from valuable productivity time? Well, it is about reading, commenting, liking and sharing. And the neat thing is you can do most of this while you're on the go, while you're waiting in airports, while you're waiting for buses, while you're on buses, while you're on planes, while you're sitting outside clients' addresses waiting for the allocated time that you'd already had, because of course you do get there early, don't you, to make sure that you're perfectly on time. So how can you fill these dead times? Well, for me, it is about social media. This is where you can do the quick comments, the quick likes, and the quick shares. So you're sat there, you've got 10, 15 minutes, pull up your phone, pull up the app, scroll through your contacts, scroll through your feeds, go to your groups, add quick comments where you can. If something requires a long answer, don't do it there and then. This is about the quick wins. Like stuff, share stuff. Please don't try and create posts on the fly. I think from a business point of view, you've really got to think about what it is that you're trying to say and how you want to say it. And that is productivity time. That's production time. You need quality thinking time for that. Sure, make notes while you're on the go, but look at using this time filler. Look at using the dead times that you get. Those 5 minutes here, those 5 minutes there, while you're in the queue at the supermarket. I'm sure you all know those dead times. Perhaps if you've got young kids, maybe you're taking them to clubs and things. You sat in the car waiting for them to come out. Again, comment, like, share. At the same time, look, if you found anything of value in this video, please comment, like, or share. I'd really appreciate it. The activity does me good, and importantly, it does you good. It shows the platform that you're using that you're interested in that content, and it will show you more of stuff that you enjoy reading. Remember, we aren't psychic. If you don't click on like or you don't add a comment, we don't know that you've seen what we put out there. And sometimes people get disheartened. If they don't get a few likes or a few comments, why should they keep going? It's a bit like just shouting into the abyss. So please, you want people to do the same to you. You want your comments and your posts liked, shared, commented on. Please do the same for others first. Pay it forwards. So my name's Mike Morrison. This is Rapid BI. Get engaged. Use time fillers. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.